Good day, pupils. Welcome to our today's basic science lesson for week 2, presented to you by Mrs. Ejike Beatrice. In our previous lesson for basic science, we discussed about food, where we said food is anything we eat to make us grow healthy and stay alive. We also talked about importance of food, and one of the importance of food we spoke about was that food gives us energy, which brings us to our today's topic, which is energy. Now, in today's lesson, we are all expected to be able to 1. Define energy, 2. List forms of energy, 3. Explain forms of energy with examples. In this slide is the definition of energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Repeat after me. Energy is the ability to do work. We do different types of work at home, in our offices, in school, such as running, playing, writing, jumping, and more. In this slide, what can you see? You can see a woman running and a girl skipping. Now, I would love you to run from one end of the room to the other end of the room. That's good. Now, for you to be able to run, even to jump, it means you have something inside of you which is called energy. That is what gives you the ability to run. Now, we have different types of energy. We can also call them forms of energy, which helps us to do different types of work, be it running, be it writing, be it jumping, be it playing. Now, below are the different forms or types of energy. Repeat after me. We have 1. Kinetic energy, 2. Potential energy, 3. Chemical energy, 4. Electrical energy, 5. Solar energy, 6. Light energy, 7. Sound energy, and lastly, number 8, which is heat energy or thermal energy. Now, what is the meaning of kinetic energy? When we say kinetic energy, what do we mean? Kinetic energy is the type of energy possessed by a moving object. Repeat after me. Possessed by a moving object. Example, a moving vehicle. A vehicle that is on the move is the energy that enables that vehicle to move, be it from the house to the school or from the house to the market, is what we call kinetic energy. We also have a rolling ball. When you roll a ball on the floor, the energy that enables that ball to move from one end to the other, or to roll from one end to the other, the energy stored inside of it that makes it to move is called kinetic energy. And next we have chemical energy. Say it after me. Chemical energy. This is the energy stored in food, chemicals, and fuel such as kerosene, petrol, diesel, and gas. The energy stored in food when we eat that enables us to work, that enables us to ride, that enables us to play is called chemical energy. Also, the energy stored in the petrol that we use in our cars, that we use in our generator, that enables our car to move, that enables the gen to work, is called chemical energy. And the third one, we have electrical energy. Say it, electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy that flows through wires, bulbs, and electronic appliances. From this picture, you see a bulb with light. Now, what enables this bulb to give us light, just as the one you have in your house, is what we call electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy that supplies light to this bulb. Electrical energy is also the energy that supplies power through our chargers. The chargers we use for our phones, the chargers we use for our laptops, and it's also the energy that supplies electric to the television we use to watch movies and cartoons. And then we have solar energy. Say it, let me hear you. Solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that is reaching us from the sun. The sunlight that enables our clothes to dry and also gives us light during the day. It's called solar energy. The energy that supplies light through the sun is called solar energy. Now we have light energy. Repeat after me. Light energy. Light energy is the energy produced by some source of light, some objects which we get light through, like candle, lamps, and stove. What enables the lamp to give us light is called light energy. What enables the candle to produce light is called light energy. Now, in the next slide, we have what is called sound energy. Everybody say, let me hear you. Sound energy. Sound energy is the energy produced by vibrating sound waves. Example, sound from radio speakers, televisions, and shout. From this picture here, you can see this little girl shouting at the top of her voice. Now, I would like you to shout at the top of your voice. That's good. The energy that enables you to produce the sound from your voice is what we call sound energy. Even the energy that produces the sound through the phone, through the laptop that you are hearing me is called sound energy. Even the voice we hear from the television, the energy that produces that sound is called sound energy. And then next we have potential energy. Say, let me hear you. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object placed at a position. When an object is placed in a place or in one position, the energy that enables that object to stay at that position is called potential energy. Now, from this picture, you can see a man trying to shoot an arrow through a bow. And first of all, he places the arrow on the bow before he shoots the arrow. Now, the energy that enables this arrow to stay on this bow is called potential energy. Another example is a ball being placed on a high level at the top of something. It could be on a mountain or on a table. Now, the energy that enables this ball to stay at the top of this mountain or at the top of the table is called potential energy. But when the ball or the arrow is being released and on the move is what we call kinetic energy. And then lastly, we have heat energy, which is also called thermal energy. This is the energy transferred from an object to another object. Example, we have a hot iron placed on a rumpled cloth. When the heat in that hot iron is being transferred to this rumpled cloth or a squeezed cloth, what happens? It strengthens the cloth, it stretches the cloth, it makes it smooth. That is the power of the energy, the heat energy that is being transferred from the hot iron to the rumpled cloth. Another example, we have putting a hot water into ice or putting hot water on ice. when the heat in this hot water is being transferred into this ice, it melts the ice, and therefore the ice now becomes liquid. The energy that enables this ice to melt into liquid is what we call heat energy. With this, we've come to the end of our week 2 lesson. Thank you and stay safe.